Welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. If your energy bills are making you sweat more than the Southern California sun, your windows are likely the problem. Let's fix that. Do us a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button right now for more pro tips. Alright, let's talk energy-efficient windows. Forget everything else for a second and focus on the three most important things: the glass, the frame, and the ratings. First, the glass. If you still have single-pane windows, you're basically throwing money away. The standard today is double pane, which means 2 layers of glass with a sealed air gap in between. That gap is your first line of defense. But the real magic is the low E coating. It's a microscopic, invisible metallic layer that reflects heat. In the summer, it reflects the sun's heat out, keeping your home cool. In the winter, it reflects your home's heat back in, keeping you warm. It's a non-negotiable for our climate. Some high-performance windows even fill that gap between the panes with argon gas, which is denser than air and a much better insulator. It's a fantastic upgrade that seriously boosts efficiency. Second, the frame material. Vinyl is the most popular choice. It's affordable, durable, and a great insulator. You can't go wrong. Fiberglass is another excellent option. It's incredibly strong, won't warp in the heat, and can be painted. For a more modern look, thermally broken aluminum is great, as it has a barrier built in to stop heat transfer. Finally, and this is critical, you have to understand the rating sticker. Look for 2 numbers, U factor and SHGC. U factor measures how well the window insulates. Think of it like a golf score. The lower the number, the better. But for us here in Los Angeles and Orange County, the most important number is the SHGC, or Solar Heat Gain Coefficient. This measures how much heat from the sun passes through the glass. Again, you want this number to be as low as possible to block that intense solar heat and slash your air conditioning costs. Choosing the right combination of these features can make a massive difference in your home's comfort and your utility bills. We actually have a detailed guide on this over at our website, oceanfrontbuilders.com, that breaks down the best options for our climate. So, to recap, look for double-pane glass with a low E coating, and always check for low U factor and SHGC ratings. If this was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more pro tips from the field. Ready to upgrade your home or commercial space? The best way to reach us is by phone at 888-336-8586 or by visiting us online at oceanfront.builders.